In today's video, I'm going to teach you mastering navigation with 3 time-saving keyboard shortcuts. By the end, you'll be able to open search and recent pages instantly, show or hide your sidebar on demand, and jump backward or forward through where you've been without reaching for the mouse. Let's start with the fastest way to find what you need, the search and recent pages shortcut. Press Ctrl/CMD plus P or Ctrl/CMD plus K. Use Ctrl if you're on Windows or Linux, and CMD if you're on a Mac. Hold the modifier key, then tap P or K. Many apps map both letters to the same quick switcher, so either one will bring up a panel where your most recent pages appear and the cursor is ready for you to search. This is ideal when you're deep in a project and want to jump to something you opened a moment ago, or when you only remember part of a page title. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure the app window is in focus first. Shortcuts only work inside the active app. Next, keep your workspace neat with a simple toggle for the sidebar. Press Ctrl/CMD plus to show or hide it instantly. The backslash key usually sits above Enter on many keyboards, though its exact position can vary by layout. Toggling the sidebar is especially helpful on small screens, or when you want to reduce visual clutter and focus on the main content. Need quick access to navigation again? Press the same shortcut to bring it right back. If the layout doesn't change, the app may not have a sidebar on that view, so try it on a page that normally shows navigation. Finally, move through your navigation history without losing your place by using back and forward. Press Ctrl/CMD plus and to go back, or Ctrl/CMD plus to go forward. These bracket keys are typically near the P key on US keyboards. Think of this like the browser's back and forward buttons. It steps you through the pages or views you visited in order. Tap it a few times to retrace your path or to return to where you just were. On some international keyboards, bracket placement can differ, so look for the square bracket symbols if they aren't next to P. To recap, remember 3 essentials: Ctrl/CMD plus P or Ctrl/CMD plus K. For search and recent pages, Ctrl/CMD plus pause to toggle your sidebar, and Ctrl/CMD plus or to go back and forward. Practice these in your daily workflow and they'll quickly become second nature, helping you stay focused and move faster with confidence.